Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this app is currently not available in your country or region on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that this app is currently not available in your country or region, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, and after doing that you just have to go back and then go for settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with the VPN because the VPN affects on your location-based content. And after that, once you have deactivated or disconnected with the VPN, it will fix the issue. Or if this doesn't work for you and you're having the same issue, so you have to open your browser and here you have to search for the app, and you have to search is the app available in the country. So for example, I have searched here is TikTok available in US, so you just have to search for that, search for something like that, and here you'll get the result. You can see there's a yes option. If you're saying yes, you are having the issue that the app is not available in your app store. So the very first you just have to open your settings and go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode, and after that select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up, so it will be fixed if there is any issue in your network settings, and after that you will not find the issue again. Or in some cases if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to open your Apple Sport app, or you can use Apple Sport browsing web. So you just have to select the iPhone, then select more option, then select app store, and then you just have to select get more help, then select call us. Now you'll find the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You have to discuss about your issue and you will find official help from there. So in this way you can easily fix your issue if you're having the issue that this app is currently not available in your country or region. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.